Hey everybody, welcome to the Stamp Anything August 2024 release video. I'm Kevin, I'm the marketing director for Stamp Anything, and I'm going to be going through the August 2024 release with you today. So, let's talk about this amazing August release. It is all about Aladdin. It is truly one of my most favorite movies. I love it so much. I had the soundtrack on CD when I was a kid, and I played it over and over and over until it just wouldn't even play anymore. Of course, we've got our amazing characters Aladdin, Abu, Jasmine, and the genie. Those are our stamps this month, and then our extras are our word die, which is wish, our builder die, which is the genie lamp builder, and our Agrabah stencil, which is a layered stencil. So first up, let's take a look at Aladdin, Do You Trust Me? Stamp and outline die. So you can see here it is in its folder package. The sentiment is Do You Trust Me? It comes with the Aladdin stamp, the Abu, and a little apple that maybe he stole from the market because he got to eat to live, so he's got to get it. So Do You Trust Me? Aladdin. This is the stamp. And of course we have an outline die that will cut out Aladdin, Abu, and that apple. So I'm going to throw up on the screen here the QR code. So if you're interested in purchasing these, they are available on our website right now. So again, we have that stamp, Aladdin, Do You Trust Me? And we have the outline die for those as well. Now, next up, we have Jasmine, Wish You Were Here, stamp and outline die. Oh, let's get that QR code off here. There we go. All right. So here we have Jasmine, Wish You Were Here, which is the sentiment. She's a photopolymer stamp, as always. And then, of course, we have her outline die. All right, so now let's get her QR codes up there. So all you have to do is point your phone at the screen, and you can scan that QR code to take you right to the website to be able to purchase that stamp. And here is her outline die. All right, so next up, we cannot have a release without this guy, and it is Genie, A Friend Like You, stamp and outline die. So here he is. He is absolutely adorable. I just love his little face, his little lamp, and the lamp, of course, is a little separate stamp, so you can put the lamp wherever you want in your design, so you don't have to have it up there, and it's just so cute. And then, of course, we have his outline die and his outline die for his lamp. So we'll get those QR codes up on the screen for you. So there it is, Genie, A Friend Like You, and all our stamps are $8.50 American, and then Genie, A Friend Like You outline die, and that is $6.50 American. All right, so next up, let's take a look at those wonderful dies and everything. So we have our Wish word die right here. So you can see the Wish word die has our mat, it has our Wish lettering, and then it has our stars. And then again, new for us, this came out recently, is we have pictures of how everything goes together and what the final product will look like, and how you should be cutting it out in different colors. So your mat, your stars, and your letters. So that is the Wish word die. So I'm going to put that QR code up on the screen for you. So if you want to grab that, that word die is $8 this month. Next up, we have our Genie Lamp Builder die. And you can see when you take these off, we have the lines, so you know exactly where to put them back. Pop that right off, so you know exactly where they go. And again, we show you how to put it together on the back, and if you want to be using separate colors to get an image similar to that. And our Genie Lamp Builder die is $18. And finally up here we have our Agrabah layered stencil. So this is a single stencil, and what you're going to do here is you're going to put this stencil down. It can be used with the Sizzix stamp and stencil platform now. That's what these little dots are for, so it helps to keep it in place. So what you're going to do is you're going to stencil your base, and then you're going to be able to put in your windows and just kind of mask them off and put them wherever you like. And we have 3 different size of windows here. Sorry, 4, because we have a larger one, this medium sized one, this little bit bigger one, and then these tiny ones here. So there's 1, 2, 3. So there's actually 4 sizes of windows there that you get to play with. And you can kind of see that in the example right down here. So that stencil is available for $6. So that stencil is the Agrabah Builder stencil, available for $6. So we will go on. So now let us take a look at some of our cards by our design team. So we have cards that feature Aladdin, and we have cards by Stephen Croft, Betty Lim Silvernail, and B. Durant, or at Creative Mind Journaling. All their Instagram names are up on the screen for you. So you can see here how everyone's colored Aladdin a little bit differently, and they've actually all used little Abu, which I think is absolutely adorable, because what is Aladdin without Abu? He's just so cute. He needs to be with Aladdin wherever he goes. He is his faithful companion. So here we can see that we have used the Agrabah stencil in different ways behind the card. Creative Mind Journaling, so that is B. She used it with some embossing gold embossing powder to give a little bit of a texture there and bring that gold up on that stencil with an awesome background. Betty has made it into a shaker card, and Steven's got a little window in his card. So they are all super cute. Next up, we have our cards featuring Jasmine. So the first card we have here on our screen that you can see is our Better by Betty, and this is Jasmine. And again, you can see how she used those windows to do her stenciling. I really love how everybody kind of gave it a dark in the background look, and she did add some flowers in here too and colored it up super cute. So that was Betty. And then we have B's card at Creative Mind Journaling, and she used a repeat stamp of the lamp in embossing powder with the gold, and it looks super cute with that wish word die. And then you can see Steven up here, he used the lamp builder die to create his lamp, and then he had the wish word die coming out of it, and he used vellum for his base, or the mat of the wish word die, and then he's got the wish word colored in there, and I think it looks absolutely adorable. Finally, we have some cards featuring the genie. We can't forget him. So we have B with I Ain't Never Had a Friend Like You, and she used all the sparkly papers, and I love sparkle, so I absolutely love this card. And I love how she even made the lamp sparkle, so that's super cool. Love the little background here by Steven and his card, and he used that lamp builder as well. Super cute. And then finally we have Betty's card, and she used the wish word die, the lamp builder. And if you want to see more examples, check out her Instagram, because this card does actually open up, and it is super, super duper cute. So I really loved everybody's cards this month. Now, of course, we're going to be having more cards come out throughout the month in some videos, in some reels, and some posts. So make sure to check out our YouTube videos, because we have multiple YouTube videos coming out. We have YouTube videos with Misty, with Brennan, and with B, myself, and Annie throughout the month. So you definitely want to check all those out. So again, here is all our characters, our scene builder, our Agrabah layered stencil. We've got our genie stamp. We've got our Jasmine stamp. We've got Aladdin, Abu, our lamp builder, and our wish word die. I think they are all adorable, and I'm going to run through the QR codes with you one more time, just so you can grab them if you want to. So we have Aladdin, Do You Trust Me stamp. Aladdin, Do You Trust Me outline die. Jasmine, Wish You Were Here stamp. her matching outline die, Genie, A Friend Like You. Then we have his outline die. We have the Genie Lamp Builder die, the Wish Word die, and finally we have the Agrabah stencil. So thank you everybody for joining me. I just want to let you know that this is an amazing release and we have tried to make sure we've got it all in stock for you. Everything is in store right now. It is available. We have not run out because we made sure to order more. This is honestly one of my favorite Disney movies. Like, I can say that 100%. This is one that I will be biased to because this movie came out and it 100% was one of my favorites. So I love all the characters. It was so awesome getting to see these, and I will be working and doing a video using Ohuhu markers this month. So I'll be releasing that later. But make sure to check out all our videos coming and everybody's stuff. Check out our Instagram as well. I'm going to give you a little bit of tea right now at the end of this video. We have something very, very, very special, very exciting, and very, very new for you. It is going to be coming out September, and I think you're going to love it. Actually, I don't think you're going to love it. I know you're going to love it, and everyone's going to love it. We're doing something pretty spectacular for you, and I can't wait for you to see what it is. So you're going to have to stay tuned, and you're going to have to watch, and you're going to have to watch later this month to find out what is coming in September and how amazing it is and how it's going to affect you. So thank you very much for watching this Stamp Anything YouTube channel, watching this release video, and I can't wait to see you next time. Wow, I can't even speak today. It's probably because I'm so excited, one, about this release, and because I know what's coming. And we just actually informed our design team of what was coming as well, because we did keep it a surprise from them as well. So they just all found out, and everybody is super, super excited. So honestly, can't wait to share that news with you coming up towards the end of the month and going into September. So again, thank you so much. And if you could, it's always awesome if you could do those few little things for us, and you know what they are. It is give us a like, subscribe, hit the notification icon, and share this video if you can. It helps us a lot, and we will see you next time.